Pydantic AI's primary mechanism for grounding a language model in concrete, callable behavior is the combination of a function toolset, tool-decorated functions, and a structured output type. The artifact below demonstrates how an agent is initialized with locally defined tools and a base model schema to constrain what the model returns. The setup registers two plain functions on a function toolset using the @toolset tool plain decorator, defines a personalized greeting model that dictates the shape of the response, and constructs an agent bound to a model with that toolset and output type specified before running it synchronously with a user prompt. From Pydantic import BaseModel. From Pydantic AI import agent, function toolset. Toolset equals function toolset. @toolset tool plain. Def get default language. Return NUS. @toolset tool plain. Def get username. Return David. Class personalized greeting base model. Greeting SDR. Language code SDR. Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5. 2. Toolsets equals toolset. Output type equals personalized greeting. Result equals agent. Run sync greet the user in a personalized way. Printer result output. Personalized greeting equals hello, David. Language code equals NUS. The code wires up a function toolset with two plain tools that return static values, then configures an agent with output type set to a Pydantic base model. The model calls the tools to fetch user data, then returns a structured response matching the personalized greeting schema. This pattern separates data retrieval from output formatting, letting the model decide when and how to use tools while guaranteeing the final shape. The @toolset tool plain decorator registers functions without needing run context, which is appropriate here since the tools don't depend on agent state. The output type on agent constrains the model's final response to the base model fields, giving you typed, validated output instead of freeform text. Using run sync blocks until the agent finishes, returning a result whose output is already an instance of personalized greeting. The trade-off is that the tools return static data, so there's no real dynamic behavior. In production, you'd replace these with calls to external services or databases. The structured output approach does add a validation step that catches schema mismatches early, but it also constrains the model to exactly what your schema allows, which can limit flexibility if the use case evolves. Let's break it down. From Pydantic import BaseModel. From Pydantic AI import agent, function toolset. Imports BaseModel from Pydantic for data validation models, and agent and function toolset from Pydantic AI for creating an AI agent and its callable toolset. Toolset equals function toolset. Instantiates a function toolset and binds it to the variable toolset. @toolset tool plain. Def get default language. Return NUS. Defines a function getDefaultLanguage that returns the string NUS, decorated with @toolset tool plain to register it as a tool available to the agent. @toolset tool plain. Def get username. Return David. Defines a function getUsername that returns the string David, decorated with @toolset tool plain to register it as a tool. Class personalized greeting base model. Greeting SDR. Language code SDR. Defines a Pydantic base model named PersonalizedGreeting with two string fields, greeting and language code. Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5. 2. Toolsets equals toolset. Output type equals personalized greeting. Creates an agent bound to the OpenAI GPT-5-2 model, equipped with the provided toolset and constrained to return a personalized greeting. Result equals agent. Run sync greet the user in a personalized way. Print result output. Personalized greeting equals hello, David. Language code equals NUS. Calls the agent synchronously with a greeting prompt, storing the result. Prints the wrapper of the output, which is a personalized greeting object containing a greeting string and a language code. The pattern ties together three moving parts: plain tools on a FunctionToolset fetch data, a BaseModel output type constrains the shape of the final response, and runsync ties it all together into a blocking call that returns a validated result. The model decides when to call getDefaultLanguage and getUsername, then builds its greeting against the personalized greeting schema so you get a typed object instead of freeform text. The trade-off is real. Static tool returns keep things simple but won't scale to real services, and locking output to a schema catches mismatches early while limiting how the model can evolve its response. That separation, let the model choose tool usage, enforce the shape after, is the core pattern here.
The toolset returns David. The agent assembles hello before the prompt arrives.